how to delete Wuthering Waves account permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete Wuthering Waves account. So step 1, once you are inside your game, just head over to your top right corner, which will open the menu option as you can see on the screen, such icons. And once you click on it, simply head over to your settings at the bottom right corner, which will be shown like this on your user. And once you do that, under the left section at the bottom left corner, you will see the icon like this, and simply click on it to go to the user setting. Once you click on it, this menu will pop up, and simply head over to your user setting by clicking on the go, and you will be shown then a delete account option. And once you click on it, you'll probably get asked to enter your email for one last time for verification with the verification code. And once you confirm it, that's exactly how you can delete your account on Wuthering Waves account. So thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.